everybody! So the lesson we're going to be doing today is called Color Theory Coil Pots. You're going to be using Crayola Model Magic. We're going to first complete the color wheel by adding green, purple, and orange. So the first color we're going to make is green, and we need to remember when we're mixing this color that we're only going to use a little bit of blue because blue is way stronger than yellow. And then next we're going to do the same thing with orange. So with orange, it's a little bit more of an even mix. Red's a pretty strong color, but we'll use about the same amount to do that one. And then we're just gonna mix, mix, mix. It's gonna take quite a while to get these colors all mixed together. And then our last color is purple. So again, we're gonna use a lot of red and a little bit of blue. And we're gonna go ahead and mix them. And just remember, it might take some people longer to mix than others. I'm a little bit older and my hands are a little bit bigger, so it's okay if it takes you a while longer to mix. Once we have all our colors mixed, the next thing we're going to do is roll them out into little snakes. So we just want to make sure that they're all the same thickness. It's okay if some are a little bit longer than others. And then we're going to get them all rolled out nice and long into our snakes. Then the next thing we're going to do is connect them. So Model Magic's really fun. It's pretty easy to connect it together, so you're just going to roll each little piece until you have one super duper long snake. And I'll show you a few different ways that we can connect these to make our pinch pots look a little different. So once you're all connected together, you're going to start rolling for the bottom of your pot. And every so often you just want to squish down your Model Magic so that it all sticks together and you know you don't have any holes. And then you're going to start making your coil around the side, so you're kind of making a bowl, and it'll get really tall, and then you'll squish the sides together, and that's how you do it. So here's a little bit different of a pot that we're just going to squish the colors together and roll them out into snakes instead of doing a snake for each color. And this is kind of fun. It shows a little bit of a marbling effect where the colors mix together. So you can make your snakes however you want as long as they're the same thickness. And then again, we're going to roll it all together, squish it down so we don't have any holes, and we're going to keep building it. Okay, so once we have a finished pot, the last step we're going to do is we're going to mix together our favorite color, and then we're going to do a little decoration on the pot. Since my favorite color is turquoise, I'm going to do a lot of blue and just a little yellow because turquoise is a little bit green. And then I'm going to add a lot of white so I can make it a little bit lighter of a color. So for this part you can mix with white if you need to. Like if you wanted to do pink, you could do red and white mixed together. You're just going to get that all mixed up. And you don't need to mix a whole lot because we're just doing some small decorations on our pots. Once again, when that color's mixed, we're going to roll it out. And then what I'm going to do on my pot is I'm going to do my first initial of my name. So my name's Stacy. I'm going to make an S. If you want to do a different letter, you totally can. You can maybe give this to somebody as a gift. And then we're going to pick the part of our pot we want to put it on. I decided to put my S on the inside of my pot because that was the place it fit the best. You can see it really good. And then you just squish it down. And that's it. So after your pot sits for 24 to 48 hours, it will be dry and strong and ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks.